Hi, I'm Doug Shire. At Burning Man or in a DJ booth, you may know me as Nataraj. At the Burning Man event every year, a figure of the man stands sentinel over the center of the city all week. And what if that man could dance? We've done this. We've created a 30-foot tall mobile electric bike powered platform with a fully articulated puppet of the man mounted on a tower in the center. It can be ridden by 4 riders who can operate the puppet's arms and legs using poles to make this LED encrusted figure dance. Check out this video of the puppet sitting up in my yard here in Ithaca, New York, at a party we had recently to celebrate the completion of the
Get him off of that thing. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Awesome!
part of the Rhythm Wave camp. Rhythm Wave is an ambassador of conscious dance on the Black Rock City Playa for everyone, and we offer magnificent daytime transformational movement experiences there. But that camp is fixed in location. What if we could take Rhythm Wave all over the city and share our magnificent dance experiences with others all over the playa? This will be Rhythm Wave's first art vehicle, complete with a high-powered sound system, a microphone for presenters, and the puppet, of course, who will be dancing all over the playa, but only with your help. We need to raise $4,000 in the next 2 weeks to bring this magnificent creation, which we've worked on for the last 6 months, to the playa. This is, without doubt, the craziest, most awesome, and largest piece of art I have ever been involved with. My friends Lawrence Clarkberg, Carl Gesslein, Jonathan Plotkin, and others have been helping me for months now to put this together, and we need your help to pay for the costs of materials and transportation for this magnificent vehicle to bring it. So if you dig deep, we can do this. We can get this crazy creation out to Black Rock City. I can't do it without you. We need you for this last step to help pay for the materials and transportation, and to get this amazing creation with 15,000 LEDs and hundreds of feet of steel cable and a lot of love and sweat and learning and joy that will be brought to our friends, our fellow burners, not just this year, but for years to come. Please give generously. Thank you.